OKLO stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is Oklo Incorporated stock a buy? I'll be breaking all this down in this brief short 1-minute video. So first thing on the list is going to be that it's a beautiful bullish market. It's just not a market that I'm immediately going to buy, although I have this line pointing towards the upside. Now I'm the only guy in this space with a track record of 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience, all documented, and I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors. Especially with Oklo, I'm waiting. I hope I just see my confirmation met. That's one way to look at things. Or the second way is if I see a shift like this happening above it, right? Again, whatever happens first is about what I will roll with. But for me to know what will happen first, the price must freaking start playing. You know, I need more candles to appear to see how I will act. Now, obviously, this is not financial advice, so please do your own due diligence. And if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye.